Hey friends, so we're going to be opening up the Fire Stick, checking it out here. Got this during Prime Day for about 14 bucks, so about time for an upgrade. This is just the HD one, it's not 4K. It's with the Alexa voice remote. So, alright, let's open it up here if we can. Oh, here we go. Yeah, that's kind of cool. That was easy. Well thought out opening device there. A little tab to pull it out. Well, that's it for the box. Alright, what do we got here? Alright, so all kinds of little stuff. Looks like here we have Fire Stick, say it, play it, a couple little instructions. Here we have, what do we have here? Okay, a USB power cord. Is that it for in here? Nope. That's not it. I'm trying to grab this thing. It's a adapter. Looks like HDMI cord there. Okay, that's it for that. Okay. Here we have the Fire Stick itself. Plugs right into an HDMI there. And we have a remote. Tells you how to put the batteries in. I think we can figure it out. Okay, it actually comes with batteries, so let's see if we can't open this up here. Let's put some batteries in there. Okay, come with some little Amazon batteries. Let's put them in there like that. Sorry about that. And slide our remote back on there. Take off this little plastic piece here. Don't need that, do we? I don't think so. Oh, okay. Okay, so there's the remote. There's the Fire Stick. What else do we have in here? Here we have power. So the Fire Stick needs power, apparently. Didn't know that. I thought you just plugged it into HDMI, but I guess HDMI doesn't necessarily have power to it. Alright, I'm going to read the manual a little bit, take a little break, we'll come back, show you how to set it up. Okay, so I plugged the power cord in down below, and now I have this cord for the Fire Stick. I'll go ahead and plug it in there. Now this says it helps the remote extend it a little bit, or if it's a tight spot. For best signal, I guess you use this, so that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to plug that right into there. Okay. I'm going to go plug this into my HDMI on the computer, or on the TVs there on the side. One second. Alright, so I'm going to pick this one right here. HDMI right here. See which way are we going. Alright, right here. There we go. So we are plugged in right there. And it ran the power cord down from behind underneath there. So it fits nicely there, kind of out of the way, I guess. Maybe I could even tape it right there if I wanted to, but good enough for now, I guess. Let's turn on the TV and do the startup here, shall we? Alright, let's turn on the TV here to find the correct input device. Fire Stick TV. Wow, it automatically recognized it. That's cool. Okay. That's in Spanish. Do not understand. Okay. Oh, that's, yeah, I really don't understand that. All right, so that is what's on the TV right now. And something about do the remote control. Oh, searching for your remote. Try placing the remote closer. Pressing the home button for 10 seconds. I'll press that for 10 seconds. So I'm doing right now is holding down the remote button, or the home button. Ah, there we go. It says press the play button to start. So that's what I'm going to do. Press that. All right, we want English, so I'm going to go ahead and select that. And I guess the select button is the middle of the remote here. Okay, scanning for networks. All right, so there is my network, and it says to use the 5G one if you have it. My router has 5G and 2G or whatever, so we use the 5G. Okay, I'm going to put in my password real quick here, 1 second. Okay, the password is in, connection is successful. Checking for updates. Finishing updates, that's quite quick there. And okay, so you can sign in with your Amazon account. So I already have one, so I'm going to go there, and I'll put in my stuff here real quick. All right, password is in. I had signed in with my Amazon account. So now it's preparing setup. So we'll be playing music during the next step. Please make sure the volume is turned up, then continue. Okay. Okay, so it's already hooked up to my TV. It's taken control of the audio, or the volume, so yes, that's working. That's cool. All right, your Fire TV remote is now successfully set up. All right. Checking network speeds, that's all right. Okay.
Netflix, Prime Video, Hulu, Stars, and more. To get started, press the microphone button and ask Alexa to find what you want to watch. Alexa, find comedies. Alexa, play The Marvelous Mrs. Maisel.
Okay, so you just talk to it. That's pretty good.
So many free movies and TV favorites. No subscription needed. Your next generation Alexa voice remote makes it easier to control your entire TV experience with dedicated power, volume, and mute buttons to control compatible TVs, soundbars, or receivers. Ask Alexa to switch to cable, like this. Alexa, watch Chopped on Food Network. You can also ask Alexa to help in so many other ways. Check the weather, order a pizza, play music, and that's just the beginning. To find more, just ask Alexa, what can you do?
All right, we know that Alexa can do everything here.
Amazon Prime.
We have Amazon Prime.
Access to thousands of popular movies and TV shows, plus millions of ad-free songs, and of course, free 2-day shipping.
Of course.
What are you going to watch first?
Okay, nice little intro there. Let's try to look up something. Choose your streaming services. Everything is free to add. Something will require payment for full of us to get started.